Good morning, students. Welcome to online learning class. Yesterday, we learned about the life of the early man too. Let's recall. To begin with, the early man's food was what he could get in the forest. He would eat the fruits of trees and threw away their seeds. When he saw that these seeds grew into plants, after some time he got the idea of growing plants from seeds. He would collect seeds and threw them here and there on the ground. After some days, plants would grow out of these seeds. This was the beginning of farming. By this time, man had also made simple tools of stone. He used these stone tools for hunting and for digging out roots. Now he started digging the earth to sow seeds. It was man's first step in the art of tilling. Later he started using wooden plough for tilling the land. They were better than his stone tools. The early man had started keeping animals also. He kept them for their meat, milk, and hides. He used them for riding and carrying his things. Now he started using them for ploughing also. He did not have to move from place to place for his food. He started living at one place and in groups. He made for himself huts of stone. He covered these huts with grass and branches of trees. Thus, families and habitations came to be formed. Mostly, these habitations were near the bank of a river. Families could get water for drinking and irrigation. They could also get fish to eat from the river. Slowly, the number of habitations increased. Man in one habitation started visiting those in the others. The early man saw that he could use the river for going from one place to another. He saw that the hollow trunks of trees floated on water very easily. So he would cut down the trees and make their trunks hollow. He used these hollow trunks for traveling by water. This was the first boat made by man. Sometimes he would tie a number of logs to make a raft. He used these rafts for carrying himself and his goods. See, children, early humans lived in jungles. They did not know farming and hence spent most of their time looking for food. Early humans ate mostly plant, fruits, nuts, and roots found in the jungle. They used stones to kill small animals and ate their raw flesh. Early humans lived on large trees and natural caves to protect themselves from sun, rain, wind, and wild animals. Early humans covered themselves with large leaves of trees. They also used the skin of animals to cover their bodies. Early humans used stones with sharp edge to dig out roots and to hunt animals. They also used animals' horn and bones as tools. They learned to make spears by tying a sharp stone to a wooden stick to hunt wild animals. Early humans must have realized that fire can keep away wild animals and protect them from cold also. They learned that to make fire by rubbing two stones and two bamboo sticks together. They discovered that fire can keep themselves warm, create light, and frighten away wild animals. They also learned that animals' meat, when cooked on fire, made it tastier and easier to eat. Now, early humans used to move from one place to another in search of food. With time, they learned to do farming. They realized that they could grow their own food by planting seeds. They noticed that these planted seeds grew into trees and fruits grew on them. They learned that plants needed water and fertile soil to grow well. So they started to settle down in villages near river. After settling in villages, early humans learned to tame animals like dogs, cows, bullocks, sheep, donkeys, and horses. They used these animals for their farm lands. They also got milk and meat from these animals. Early humans used to travel long distances in search of food and carry heavy loads such as wood for making fire and making houses, and also to carry animals they killed for food. After they learned to tame animals, they used these animals for carrying loads. They also learned to make rafts by tying together straight logs. Rafts helped them to carry heavy loads by the river. But traveling and transporting by road was still difficult and slow. They first learned to make carts that could pull along the ground, which were called sledge. They used animals to pull the sledge, but it could move only on smooth grounds. That's all for today. Thank you, students.